Hey guys, welcome back to Tug's Garage. Shane here. Got a new product I want to share with you today from Auxbeam, LED fog lights. Alright, let's get after it. Gotta get in there. Probably ought to clean them like I did the headlights. Do that in the future. But let's get in here and see what's going on. Gotta get my flashlight. Let's see what's going on up there. Alright. I'll pop this inner wheel well out so you can see what's happening up in there and get my flashlight. Got a rivet there. That rivet's gone. Get my kid out of here. Alright. Got a clip up under here. Christmas tree. Man, that thing's in there tight. Got plastic to plastic. If I can pop that out far enough. Yeah, I think that'll work. I'd stick something in there to hold that out. Water bottle. Anyway, right up in there. There's your light. Fog light. Looks like you just twist that. Yeah, just twist it. Pops right out. It's a 9145. Alright, get up here. Show you these. Open these dudes up for you. So, nice packaging. Alright. There's the light. Let me hold that thought. I'll be right back. Alright, these lights are raw lumens are 7,000 lumens. Current draw is 0.83 amps, 12 volt, 6500K on the color temperature. They're not adjustable. All aluminum housing, and lifetime is 30,000 hours, which so yeah, they're a lot brighter than the headlights. The headlights are 45 or 4,400 lumens. Same color temperature. Everything else is the same. 50,000 hours on the headlights, 30,000 hours on these. Yeah, let's get these dudes in there. So, that dude's on. We'll plug it, turn it on before I There he is. So yeah, put that dude back up in there. All done. Take that down, push this back in there. I'll put a I don't know if this Christmas tree will fit in there or not. Yeah, that's fixed. You can buy these Christmas trees on Amazon. Yeah, that's back in there. Yeah, that bulb. Bulb over there I blew. These tires rub a little bit when I back up. But we'll get on the other side over here. Yeah, you see how close the tires are? I have to turn it back. Oh, that crutch you heard, I broke my light. That's why I got two of them. Water bottle in there. I just reach up in there and twist, pull. That was out. You guys can't see. So these out and turn them on real quick. Turn the lights out. Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Everybody working. Now the whole front, I'm going to order. They have LEDs that replace all this stuff. We'll order those. I have the 57s coming for the rear to replace the brake light, running light. I'm going to order all the turn signals, backup lights. And we'll get the license plate light. All the inside's been replaced. I never did a video on that, but they're all been replaced to LED. But yeah, this company's got pretty much every bulb you could. Companies pretty much get every bulb you could want to replace on your WJ, your Wranglers, pretty much every product. Pretty neat company. Pretty quick at shipping. But don't forget that I'm an affiliate with these guys, so anything you order through them and either follow the link in the description, or when you go there, use Tug's Garage, all caps. You get 10%, and I get a little bit of commission off of it. But yeah, check them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.